More than 9 years after the murder of FSU law professor Dan Markell, his brother-in-law is on trial for his murder.
The defendant in this case, Charlie Adelson, hired a hitman to kill his former brother-in-law, Dan Markell.
Prosecution and defense attorneys presenting opening statements today.
You will see that Charlie Adelson had nothing to do with the murder of Professor Markell.
Adelson is the fourth person to face murder charges. Less than 5 minutes ago, the first day of witness testimony wrapped up in the trial of Charlie Adelson. I'm Kendall Brandt, live at the Leon County Courthouse, where just a few minutes ago, the ex-wife of a late FSU law professor, Dan Markell, took the stand in the trial of her brother. That woman I'm talking about, it's Wendy Adelson. She took the stand just before 3:30 Thursday afternoon. Wendy is the ex-wife of late FSU law professor Dan Markell. Brother Charlie is the defendant. If you've been following this case like I have, you know Charlie Adelson is accused of orchestrating Markell's murder. That murder took place in 2014 in the garage of his Benton Hills home.
Just like that, their father was just effectively erased from their lives at 3 and 4.
Assistant State Attorney Sarah Dugan with the prosecution went first with her opening statement. She says both the investigation into looking into Markell's personal life and the car that followed him both point to Adelson as the man behind the plan.
Their undercover operation was an extortion on an extortion.
Defense attorney Dan Roshbaum says the state won't prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. Roshbaum says Adelson was extorted by his ex-girlfriend, Catherine Magbanawa. He said that her ex-boyfriend, Sigfredo Garcia, found out Adelson was dating her. Garcia, along with Luis Riviera and Magbanawa, murdered Markell to get back at Adelson. After opening statements wrapped, the state called witnesses to testify. Crime scene witness James Greiger testified that he found his neighbor Markell in the garage of his Benton Hills home after the shooting. There were 6 witnesses that testified today. One was an FBI agent, one was a former sergeant for TPD, another one was a forensic examiner. They also showed some pretty graphic photos of Markell's wounds, and before they did that, Kappelman turned around and looked at the Markell family to kind of signal that was going to happen, and his sister Ruthie nodded her head. Live at the Leon County Courthouse, Kendall Brandt, ABC 27.